The power of DirectX. How Microsoft shaped modern 3D gaming and virtual reality in the ever-evolving world of computer graphics and game development. One name has remained at the core of innovation. DirectX, developed by Microsoft in the 1990s, DirectX became the foundation for some of the most spectacular game engines in history, and laid the groundwork for today's virtual reality experiences. The birth of DirectX. When Microsoft launched Windows 95, PC gaming was still struggling to match the raw performance of dedicated gaming consoles. Developers had a hard time accessing the hardware features needed for real-time 3D graphics, sound, and input. In response, Microsoft released DirectX 1.0 in 1995, a collection of API, application programming interfaces, that allowed software to talk directly to hardware components like the graphics card, sound card, and controllers. It unified and simplified the development process, making Windows a legitimate platform for gaming. Building blocks for game engines. DirectX includes several modules, the most critical being DirectDraw, for 2D graphics, early versions. Direct3D, for 3D rendering. DirectSound, for audio processing. DirectInput, for reading game controllers. DirectPlay, for networking multiplayer games. By providing a standardized, high-performance set of tools, DirectX empowered developers to build powerful game engines, the frameworks behind massive titles and franchises. Notable engines that relied on DirectX: Unreal Engine, CryEngine, Frostbite, ID Tech, from ID Software, Unity, Windows builds. These engines pushed the boundaries of real-time lighting, physics, and animation, delivering cinematic quality visuals and responsive gameplay on consumer hardware. DirectX and virtual reality. While DirectX was originally intended for traditional gaming, its powerful graphics pipeline made it a natural fit for virtual reality (VR) development. With the rise of Windows Mixed Reality, Oculus Rift, and HTC Vive, Microsoft began enhancing DirectX to support low-latency rendering, critical for avoiding motion sickness in VR, high frame rate performance, stereo rendering for immersive 3D visuals, spatial audio for realistic sound environments. The release of DirectX 12 took this even further by giving developers lower-level access to hardware, enabling better multi-core CPU utilization and smoother VR experiences. Combined with HoloLens, Microsoft's own AR/VR headset, DirectX continues to play a central role in next-gen reality platforms. From consoles to cloud gaming, DirectX is not just a PC standard. It's also deeply integrated into Xbox consoles. From the original Xbox in 2001 to the latest Xbox Series X/S, this allowed developers to port games between platforms with minimal friction, reinforcing Microsoft's gaming ecosystem. Today, with services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, xCloud, DirectX plays a role in streaming high-quality games over the internet, bringing console-grade graphics to mobile devices and low-end PC. The future of DirectX. With the rise of AI-assisted rendering, ray tracing, and cloud-based development, Microsoft continues to evolve DirectX. Technologies like DirectML, machine learning, and direct storage, fast SSD-based game loading, point to a future where games are more dynamic, intelligent, and visually stunning than ever. Conclusion: DirectX is more than just a set of tools. It's the engine that fueled a gaming revolution. From pixelated shooters in the 90s to lifelike VR simulations today, Microsoft's DirectX has powered the transition from 2D sprites to immersive 3D worlds, and from single-player titles to global multiplayer ecosystems. For developers, gamers, and innovators alike, DirectX remains a symbol of how far digital entertainment has come, and where it's heading next.